a warm applause, please.
Maupay nga aga, haamon bisita, Ma'am Crisel, Ma'am Abigail, Ma'am Josephine, ang aton keynote speaker, is Sir Melchor. So gagman ang amon teachers din sa Salvacion Elementary School, tigang kan Ma'am Eloisa, nga nanganak yan na, ang aton kindergarten, ang aton grade 1, ang aton MC. First time niya mag-MC, Ma'am Glidel. Ang aton grade 1, ang aton grade 2, Ma'am Sonifer. Ang aton grade 3, Ma'am Teresa. Grade 4, Ma'am Thelma. Grade 5, Ma'am Jubel. Ang aton grade 6, Ma'am Clarissa. So, gagmana natin AO yan na, Ma'am Razel. Mo pa nga aga gihapon ito natin kapitan nga Adi. Salamat pagkadi. Honorable Antonio Caramol Sr. So, gagmana natin SGC President. Nganhan aton Barangay Official Honorable Mario Caramol. Ang aton SK President Madam Fiona. Anamon PTA, GPTA President, Hainay, Ma'am Ruena. Waray na, dito. Maupay nga aga haton nga tanan. Di rin ako maghilabaha. First time kong magyakan for the school report card. Usually, ginahatag ini fourth quarter. So, waray naman kita chance, dyan na nala ako magyayakan. Una, gipapasalamatan ko na ako mga teachers. Kay ano? Hira ang naghahatag himaupay ng edukasyon ng kabataan. Usa nga sinyalis, basta nakatuling contest na daog. Himam Jubel, may daniya mga first, ang araling panlipunan. Himam Thelma, may daniya first, ang slogan. Himam Sonifer, dito ha district. Himam Teresa, ngan Himam Eloisa, pero ang may pinakadamugod ang ging coach, Himam Clarissa. Okay, tikang ha journalism, ngadtuhan science, scrap scrap art, ngadtuhan saydama, may dapan water, saydama. So, diri iton para haira, diri lo iton para akong para iton han aton eskwelahan, para iton han aton community. Okay? So, ito hiya, dungog ito, han Salvacion Elementary School, nagbuburubli. Samit pinasasalamatan ko una, waray katapusin nga pasalamat it aton kapitan. Kung makita ka mo it aton signboard dito, hagawas, ikapitan nito ang nag-sponsor. Ang aton barangay council. Ngan maaraw ka mo, tiya isunod, itong didang nga dalan. Oo. Kang kapiton ging pa project, yan ang atuin. Di ba kap? Oo. Tinuod ito. Oo. Ikap. Ikaduha ang aton SGC President, Barangay Councilor Mario Caramol ihapon. Kaya ano, hiya itong perminakan, hindi rin na ginahandan masari nga. Uy, mapa, kuang kita. Mapa, ano tawag ini, magmiminting didi ang aton grass. Kahuman, ang aton SK President, kinan iya council. Marang kamo kay ano? Nakakita ka mo hito nga, kuan, iyo diploma holder. Hiya ito't nag-sponsor. Maarong ka mo haliyo pictorial, January pala. Hiya ito't nag-sponsor, IRA Council, SK. Okay? So nagpapasalamat ako, hit suporta. It aton PTA President, Himana Rowena, yan at mga officers, o sa kula pagyakan, kadikita ang ito project ng DDOS gihapon. So, dakot akong pasalamat ito. An aton mga kaupayan ng eskwelahan makikita na niyo, ini nga grass kanan SGPTA inihan aton bingo. Tapos may book donation, mga unclearing operation dida. Di ba may nakita dida kuan? Ano to dida ang temporary shelter nga nakaulang gintanggal nila tapos nag minor repairs kita. Okay, so damo man na natong activities wari man kita ka pagkulang sugan man gihapon ang aton graduates 100% tira nakapasar. Ano na takon ha graduates ha? Diri ka re-exit yun, damo ting medalya na pag high school nimo amo lagi hapon ha. Diri na parihas ha. Kay 95 na in honor. So ka-exit yun maniniguro. Aton waray medal, aton waray award, diri ka-exit yun nga diri ka baltok. Okay? Kay ako high school na ako nag-excel. Okay, so maniniguro kay diri ni amot katapusan, tinikakan pala ini. Damo pa ito hiya. Ha? Oy, graduates, nakabati. Salit maniniguro kita, maabot itak na hikamuliwat ang mabulig nga eskwelahan ha atong barangay. Kaya ang pagbulig, tigaman ito, nga damo iti mo grasya, nga nakakarawat, nga kinahanglan nimo i-share diri laha imong pamilya kundi ngadto ha atong komunidad. Ha? Okay? Hinabat akong pasasalamatan ni Honorable Roy Tapalya, Honorable Rex Manakpo, Mano Narding Nakman, ang atong lead barangay Tanod, Salvacion Alumni Association President Nelson Lawson and the officers, SK Federation President Jared Lumandao, ala kong bugis yung pamilya, and White House, Ma'am Chubel, ano to? Oo, balik pa kabatiin. Basta White House, nag-feeding nga di. Ano pa ba? Hino pa? Ha? Sunny Fe Kapungkol, Danny Fe Kapungkol, Bang Pelma, hino pa? Yan ang light time nga mapasalamat ako kay, Richie Milanyoso, Manigod, hino pa? Vice Mayor, ngayon, ang kuan medals. Jonathan, isang Jonathan, yan, naghatag, susupay, sige panhatag natin, gumas. Ang taga surf camp. Ito na, Jonathan. Ano sa naghatag ang mga notebook? Okay. Kaming signon hiton, the more you share, diri man kita nag-iihap dapat mabalik ka. Kay diri kita nag-iimon aton, kung anot may adaha aton, kung anot aton nahabulig ka iba, lakip man ito ni aton pamilya. Uy, mga graduates ha, pag-abutitak na, nakamunaliwat ang mga professionals, baga nakaangat-angat habuhay, kay iba-iba man ito aton lakaton. Iba-iba, may dahiton makagraduar, may dali rin makagraduar, pero adto abroad. May daga, umabot na nga nito katak na buligi ang aton komunidad. Para, pag mabisita ka mga ni eskwelahan, alam mo, graduation na ito, kapapasok, yan na, aircon na, saga dito. Ha? Time nga, kamo na, may capacity to help the community. Buligi ang barangay. Buligi ang eskwelahan. Okay? Parang kan Escape Federation, Escape President, may hiya capacity to help the youth na buligi. Usa ko lang mo yung kaya ka nun. Madam, usa na ka-chat, diploma holder, para ko, pictorial. Gusto mo pa yan aton ko, ang aton souvenir program. January pala, humad na. Ano pa? Okay, tungod to kan Ma'am Fiona. Ma'am Fiona, na-eskwila pala nga niya ito iya. Pero, Tintagan niya yung chance, ang oportunidad makabulig ha iba. Di ito para ha iya, di ito para ha ako, di ito para ha iyo, pero kabukusan ng eskwelahan. Okay, adi amo na takon. Umulpot nga ni ang takna nga hikamuna ang may ada chance, oportunidad nga bumulig, bulig. Kay diri nga tanan nga tao gitatagan hin oportunidad pagbulig. Okay? Graduate ha, pagsirang bayan. Okay? Diri na ako maghilaba, maaram na magkamit aton din improvement sa eskwelahan.
Oh, dulagay yan na.
Congratulations! May na ba ako nakalimutan?
Recognition.
Walay na? Sure na? Ang mga ang sponsors, amon mga activities, ang bingo socials, tagi ako kung list na ba doon. Or niya na lang naman ka kulog, tagi ako list. Mga sponsors, kay, paano ba kukunin ng million to sponsor? Iba na Rowena. Sir, adito ti sponsor, himo solicitation. Sir, adito sponsor, himo solicitation. Okay, so, graduates, teachers, kung may ada chance nga umudwag ang position, siguro deservehan Salvacion Elementary teachers nga ma-promote. Okay, palakpakan niyo yung teachers. Kay, kung ano ito yun nahuli ito nila, type 30. Dahil nagkakaon mo sa kayo, nahuli na pag-uli, dahil nahuli ako pag-uli. Okay? So, ang teachers natin didi, kung competent, competent. Kung competitive, competitive. Alayon na natin mga anak, ayun na pag-eskwela dito harayon, hindi kita atong barangay. Okay? Kaya nagtitikabuti ang aton enrollment. It aton kinder, yan na, ang matapos is 17. Ang nagpa-enroll, 13. Okay, mga kag-anak, hinautunta na ang iyo suporta, ihatag liwat nga diha aton eskwelahan. Muupay na aton gulayan sa paaralan, waray na tanom. Nakakatuloy, Kapitan. Okay, so, muupay na aga. Congratulations, graduates.
Thank you, Dr. Colin D. Tupas, for the state of the school address. A school is not just a building. It is a foundation of values and character. To symbolize their lifelong commitment,
Good morning to our respected school head, our dedicated teachers, our loving parents and guardians, our honored guests, our respectable keynote speaker, Mr. Melchor Paete, and my fellow graduates. Today is a very special day for all of us. We prepared speeches, songs, and presentation to celebrate our grade 6 graduation. But as I stand here and look at the faces that have been part of our elementary journey, I realized that all the emotion in our hearts can be expressed in just one simple word. And that word is thank you. Before we say those words, let us remember the journey that brought us here. Our story began years ago when we were just small children in kindergarten. Some of us shy, curious, and a little nervous on our first day of school. We learned how to hold our pencil, read our first words, and make our first friends. Year by year, we grew, learned new lessons, discovered our talents, and slowly became the students we are today. But our journey was not always easy. During the pandemic, when we were in grade 1 and grade 2, our classroom suddenly became quiet. Schools closed, and we had to learn from home through modular learning. It was challenging to study without our teachers and classmates besides us. We missed the laughter in the classroom and the joy of learning together. Year by year, we grew, learned new lessons, discovered our talent, and yet, even during those difficult times, we did not stop learning. Our teachers continued to guide us. Our parents helped us through every lesson. And we learned how to be patient, strong, and determined. And so today we say thank you to our teachers, Mrs. Eloisa Dijano, our kindergarten teacher, Mrs. Maria Teresa A. Ogardo, our grade 1 and grade 3 teacher, Mrs. Sanifer R. Costello, our grade 2 teacher, Mrs. Telma C. Colasito, our grade 4 teacher, Mrs. Jubel R. Antido, our grade 5 teacher, and Miss Clarissa M. Dipas, our grade 6 teacher. Thank you for your patience, guidance, and dedication to helping us learn and grow. To our parents and guardians, thank you for your love, sacrifices, and constant support. To my fellow graduates, thank you for your friendship, laughter, and memories we shared from kindergarten until today. Today may be the end of our elementary journey, but it is also the beginning of a new chapter. As we move forward, we will carry thus the lesson we learned, the friendship we built, and the strength we discovered along the way. And if there is one promise we make today, it is this. Graduates, please stand up. We will remember your guidance. We will honor your sacrifices. And whenever life takes us, we will strive to make you proud. Because this graduation is not just the end of a chapter, it is the beginning of the dream you help us believe in. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you and congratulations to all of us.
Respect to our district supervisor of the Lag South District, Dr. Lerma A. Piquet. To our school head of Salvacion Elementary School, Dr. Colin D. Tupas. To our barangay officials, headed by our barangay chairman, Honorable Antonio Caramol, our GPTA or SPTA officers, headed by our SPTA President Rowena Manakpo, our SGC, headed by the President Mario B. Caramol Sr., our guest speaker, Mr. Melchor C. Paiti, our school heads of different schools. From Barbu ES, we have Ma'am Crisel, and our school head of Sabang Elementary School, Ma'am Abigail. Proud parents,
Angel.
graduates, visitors, and guests, a pleasant morning to everyone. Maupay nga aga aton nga tanan. This morning, I will give you a message from our district supervisor, Superintendent Marisa Ismagan. She says, to our graduates of school year 2025-2026,
last week na March.
you have reached a remarkable milestone and now stand ready to embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. Today, we celebrate not only our academic achievement, but also the strength of character you have developed along the way. This year's theme, anong anatong theme yan na? Filipino, graduates, prepared to lead with competence and character. Okay, so natong gobyerno ginandam na kamo to become a good leader. Diri la kay leader nga adinasing competence, but also with good character, di ba? Maupay nga pamatasan nga aton equip an aton school ginmaster hangatanan nga competence. Kay this is an institution where you have
Malagi siya parang proud.
talents, ginorture ka mo, maupay nga pamatasan, maupay nga mga talento nga ginhatag ang aton mga dedicated nga teachers. Through the guidance ng aton school head, amoy ton. Ang aton gobyerno yan na, kinahanglan, ginaandam na kita, gipe-prepare. Ang aton atong kalugaringon to become a good leader in the future. Maybe someday, one of the bangin usadin ito maging senator, vice president, someday, president here in Barangay Salvacion, especially to Salvacion Elementary School. Hinot na habarubangin itat journey magmaupay itdalan. Tagang kitahin maupay nga dalan it aton makagaraham through the guidance, through the intercession of the Holy Spirit. Pagampo, nagaampo gyap kita, diri la kay para walay hindrance it aton dream. Nangangarap kita, hindako, dakuon tanalat pangarap, kay waray manhiton bayad, mangarap la kita. Pero, sige tatampo, Lord God, kay pagampo, diri la kay bisnganit kawata, nagaampo, nga diri radakpan, kan Lord. Sa ipakita, kay maupay naton intensyon. Oo, nagaampo kita, Lord. Siyahan, tagang kami maupay nga lawas, kay pagkasakit naka-hindrance. Kung masakit to ka, ang kapobrihan diri yan na hindrance kay damit mabulig. Basta maupay may ka brain, skilled ka. May nimulo, may heart, maupay ting pamatasan, matalino ka, damot scholarship na ma-offer. Waray na mga bayad. High school, elementary, diri paruhad tuhan amon panahon nga nagkukuri. High school pala, may bayad na, hasta college. Yan na, open to all. Ikaw nalat madiri. Sanglit, amoy ton nga di kita napabayan, nagaampo kita kay ansyahan, tagang kitay kusog, maupay nga lawas, kay kung maupay tatlawas, waray sapayan iton, waray hindrance, tuloy-tuloy. Basta mag-upay lang kita, mamati kita sagdon it aton mga kag-anak. Diri kayo imo la karuyag, signon, an imo pasubiron. Kung anon sagdon han kag-anak, kahiran ha una kontra iyo, sunda. Kay maupay, masunurin na bata. Kay dako it imo, ikabutan. So ang mga diyan akon kuan, then reminds us that education goes far beyond grades and diploma. It equips you to lead meaningful lives through higher education, employment, entrepreneurship, and the development of valuable skills. Diba? Ginti training na kamo din pala. Damo na niyo, yan na, nakita ko, damo ang niyo mga medals, tagdaramo. School-based pala, ipinakita na niyo nga may niyo kapas, maging athlete, maging, ano pa, hapanluto, dintan IPP, mangin usap, ang lumiwan, kan Jessica Soho, maupay, naabot niyo, ngadtuan level, han region, mamay kalahiton, through han iyo advisor, Ma'am Clarissa. Pakpakianay nato na naton, Ma'am Clarissa. Very dedicated. Very good lang pag-asawa kay para iyo maka-focus, Char. Very nabusis ko nun ni Ma'am Paniguro. Each day you rose to meet responsibilities, performance tasks to accomplish, expectation to fulfill. Natural la iton, may mga pressure, give was dahil pag-submit hini, may kami mga performance tasks. Iton, training na ito na iyo. Kung makasubmit dayong kamo, han ipipinahimo ni imo, ma'am, nga mga performance task, buwas isubmit dayon. Kay training na iton, kung diri ka malang-anon. Kung malang-anon ka, di ka makasubmit buwas. Kaya na pala, ito ka nagkikinit at cellphone. Diba? Amo iton. Mahiton grado. Kung hinon mahauna, pagkasubmit, ada 100%. Ang mapera paanay kasi manog makasubmit, ada kay minus 10. Amo iton. Kay ano rin ka, ba man yan nakasubmit, ikaw waray. Kaya naginano ka. Ada na iton hisabtan ang aton performance. Then, and in your determination and courage. Di ba, nakalangpos ka mo? Imbis hagton, grade 1 pala ka mo, gidaw, makuri ka sang piton, naghihigaturog pa, dito eskwelahan, dagod, asahan nalan nanay, nga makakadto eskwelahan. Pero, nalampasan niyo, at last, grade 6 na kami. Diba? Nag-graduate na kami. So, starting pala iton. May dapa niyo higher level. May dapa hurataas, makadto pa kamuhin in high school. Mas makurukuri ng mga task, ang mga competences. Amo, kung master niyo in elementary, pag high school niyo, ay sus, waray hiton. Kay ano la, kumbaga kung dudugangan la ang English, ang Filipino, ang mathematics, oo, dinhi ang for fundamental, amo anay mamaster ni ma'am. Pag ikanto na high school, durudugangan na la. Pero kung master na kamo, han foundation niyo nga skills, like fundamental operation, and addition, and subtraction, and multiplication, and division. Kung master na ito ni Jesus, bisaan ito dito nga dudugang kayang-kaya. Di ba? Di riya kang yaka, kun waray didi. Kinahanglan ang mastery han lesson kay ang importante nga tanan ang pundasyon kay kun ang balay ikaturong ba labi kun kulang gutiya lang nga hangin baga nagkikipog-kipog na niyo balay para ito nit bata baga guti ay ladto nga announcement o wala magsiring na nga o ginam nag-inuran man yan na yan natkuhan may orange rainfall na dawan ayon orange rainfall na gidaw ada masabot ako makita imbis nga sinirak lugodan orange rainfall imbis nga makusugan uran oo so hika mo ang resiliency karang sigo na kang pagpadara to ay bakit ito mapadara ng mga kuan padayon itak pag-eskwela di kiton mapatarantan nga mga kuan di ba sanglit na kay baga bimnagyuhantino kasi mana nga waray klase baga naningalipay na pagbalik kay eskwelahan haton naningalimot na nagkada ng amnesia sila kasi mana di ba kaya di nahadlok na lang baga ginhangin hadlok yun dire resilient pero to ay leto nga bagyo kay padayon ta pag-eskwela bisduro nangin lampara la kandila nagbibinasak ditan ligid may kulibro nga hatagan ni ma'am may module na kinigininis na din sige hangin uday paway kaya din na makusugitagin ayaw kay meda na assignment i-submit na ini di ba pero iba na yung lugod hal makusugan hangin aayon pa pero amula ito nit life kay mga bata pa man kamo. Through the help naton proud parents at mga nanay, bulig, haiyo, kay anyo kaupayan, ma-reflect nga itong kag-anak. Kung di ka mo maging attorney, balawan yung nanay. Proud parents, di ba? Mag-attorney, mag-kuan, mayor, hitdulag, proud ang nanay. Ang kailangan ni kamatay, kay itak anak, mag-gobernador pa ini. Maging magsenador pa ini, di ba? Amo iton. Mangarap lang kita, kaya wala iton bayad, wala iton makaurulang. Basta, kapti ang iyo pangarap. Ada iyo kalugaringon. Bes pakaginhinong ititinanay kung ikaw diri ka naruyag pag-eskwela waray makom pero kung ikaw aning willingness with full of kuan nga full hulos nga kinasing-kasing an imo pagbulig para ng kalugaringon kay gusto ko ma-improve inang kinabuhi di ba? Kay naknanay, anak tatay, farmer. Ay pag siya nga farmer la, kay mawaray ng karaunon kung waray liwat dito, mga kamote, mga kwan dito, humay nga harvest. So amo iton. So, lastly, I will say, congratulations for the job well done. Thank you. Mabuhay tayong lahat. To God be the highest glory.
Thank you, Ma'am.
for
School head of Sabang Elementary School, Ma'am Abigail Maluoy. School head of Barbo Elementary School, Ma'am Crisel Almaden. Our very own school head, Dr. Colin Tupas. Honored guest speaker, Barangay Council, headed by Honorable Antonio R. Caramol,
Waray.
Senior, and our Council
SPT.
for Committee on Education, Honorable Mario V. Caramol, GPTA President, headed by our very active President, Rowena E. Manakpo. SK Council, headed by Honorable Fiona Arabella E. Manakpo, CISAO officers, headed by Honorable Nelson M. Longzon,
Ay, Nelson.
parents, fellow teachers, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to everyone. It is always a great pride and honor to be given the task of introducing the person who is not only worthy of emulation because of the achievements in life, but mostly because he was once like you. Our keynote speaker is a distinguished educator, artist, and scholar who has dedicated his career to the intersection of media, culture, and design. He began his academic journey at the University of the Philippines, Visayas Tacloban College, where he earned his Bachelor of Arts in Communication Arts in 2015. Expanding his horizons internationally, he later obtained his Master of Arts in Applied Arts and Design from Shunti University in Taiwan, in partnership with the UP Cebu in 2019. Currently, he serves as an assistant professor and the program coordinator of the BA Media Arts program under the Division of Humanities at UP Tacloban. In the classroom, he shapes the next generation of creatives through courses in design, fundamentals, and print media, while also fostering a deep appreciation for heritage through general education courses like Arts 1 and Philippine Arts 1. His scholarly and creative work is as prolific as it is impactful. He is a published author and illustrator whose research explores the vital links between communication, semiotics, and regional culture. His notable works include co-author of the 2025 book, Tao, Tubig, Tuna, a collection of narratives about natural landmarks in Eastern Visayas. Author of Cultural Code Analysis of the Integration of Pintados Design in Furniture Product Development, published in the Journal of Visual Art and Design in 2022. Illustrator of beloved local titles published in 2015, such as An Munyika ni Kaykay, An Kamiyaptian Hakataisan, An Hibulinaw Manhituringan. His excellence has begun recognized with prestigious honors, including first prize in the 2021 Aliwanag Literacy Awards for Hidadapiyang ngan ang tulo nga pasarawayon, and first prize in the 2020 Cebu Climate Emergency Essay Writing Competition with his work, Ang Kalibutan sa Karak-an, Reviving Folkloric Sensibilities in the Midst of Climate Emergencies, for his insightful work on reviving folkloric sensibilities in the face of environmental crisis. Beyond the walls of the academy, he is a devoted servant leader. He currently serves as the advisor of the Salvation Youth Ministry, where he spearhead church programs, seminars, and youth leadership trainings, specifically empowering and mentoring the youth of Julan. Ladies and gentlemen, our honored guest speaker for today's graduation ceremony, let us all welcome Professor Melchor Cagara Paete.
Makahumanggitan alas 8. Uya. Sige.
Our learners have successfully completed the required competencies and standards set forth by the Department of Education, aligned with the goals of quality, accessible, relevant, and liberating education under Republic Act 10533. Ethan Gabriel Cuevas. Lauren Divaras. Hanilyn D. Sumayon. Rayan C. Tagame. Maria Katrina D. Chazon. Congratulations to our dear graduates. To provide us with words of guidance and inspiration, may we call on our Salvacion Elementary School
Batch of 2026, small steps, big dreams. Good afternoon to our school head, to our keynote speaker, the barangay officials, especially the barangay captain, the SK council, the Barbo Elementary School teaching and non-teaching personnel, at iya sa komite sa the parents, the stakeholders, and the graduates. To all grade 6 graduates, for 6 years, the classroom had been your world. You learned to read, to compute, and to understand the history of our beautiful country. This is your competence. The tools in your backpack that you will carry to high school. But as you grow taller and your lessons get harder, remember that character is what makes a true Filipino leader. To lead with mabuting pagkatao means being the learner who helps a classmate, the child who respects their elders, and the friend who chooses honesty over an easy grade. You are young, but you are already leaders in your own way. To the parents and guardians, the first teachers, you are the primary architects of these children's character. Every morning, you walk them up. Every bow you prepared and every word of encouragement you gave has built the foundation we see today. Your resilience is the competence they admire, and your love is the character they will carry into the world. This graduation is a tribute to your hard work as much as theirs. To the teachers, especially in Barbo Elementary School, the patient mentors, you have spent years turning I can't into I can. You taught them more than just ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. You taught them how to be citizens. Thank you for being the steady hands that guided them through their first academic journey. To the stakeholders and community, thank you for providing a safe and nurturing environment for our children to thrive. Your support proves the old saying, it takes a village to raise a child. By investing in their education, you are investing in the future leaders of the nation. A final word to the graduates. Do not wait until you are grown up to lead. Lead today by being kind, by studying hard, and by being a proud Filipino. Your journey has just begun. Congratulations and God bless Batch 2025-2026. Good afternoon.
Graduating class, it is my great honor to welcome you all to this very special occasion, our Grade 6 graduation ceremony. Today, we gather not only to celebrate the completion of our elementary journey, but also to recognize the love, guidance, and support that have brought us to this moment. Our team, Pilipinong Masipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao, reminds us that education is more than just learning lessons from books. It is about preparing ourselves to become future leaders. Leaders who are not only skilled and knowledgeable, but also compassionate, responsible, and guided by good character. This graduation is proof that we are ready to take the next step. Carry with us the values instilled by our teachers, the sacrifices of our parents, and friendships we have built with one another. As you move, dear graduates, you are the pride of your families and your school. You have shown that with determination and
active and supportive school head Mrs. Crisel C. Almaden, our esteemed guest school head of Salvacion Elementary School, Dr. Colin D. Tupas, the Federated PD officers, led by GPTA President Mrs. Velita D. Cuevas, the supportive community leaders of Barangay Barbo, represented by the chairperson of the Committee on Education, Honorable Rosemary Lazar, our barangay chairwoman, Honorable Lina D. Sumayod, fellow members,
Education Committee, Honorable Rosemary. Sorry po. Honorable Lina D. Sumayed. Our Education Committee, Honorable Rosemary D. Lazar, and members of the Council. To our guest of honor, Sir Matthew Largy C. Tayag, our dear parents, fellow graduates, visitors, and friends. A pleasant afternoon and welcome to our 12th graduation ceremony of Barba Elementary School. District Supervisor Dr. Lerma A. Piquet, the energetic school head of Salvacion Elementary School, Sir Colin D. Tupas, the energetic school, sorry po.
School Head of Salvacion Elementary School.
Makatunga ako, diri sa diba? Pahuman mo. Kain ang confirmation.
Dr. Marisa S. Magan, SESO 5, Schools Division, Superintendent, DepEd Division of Leyte, represented by Dr. Colin D. Tupas, a master teacher and school head of Salvacion Elementary School. Our distinguished guest, Dr. Colin D. Tupas, our honorable and visionary mayor, Mayor Jade A. Agulio, our dedicated and hardworking barangay officials spearheaded by Honorable Rolando D. Maza, my dedicated co-teachers, proud parents, and most especially the graduates who are at the heart of today's celebration. Standing before you as your guest speaker, I feel truly grateful to be part of this meaningful milestone in your lives. Today is not just a recognition of your achievements, but also a celebration of your perseverance, growth, and dreams for the future. It was not something I expected to be given the honor of delivering an inspirational message to all of you today. In fact, just recently, I found myself laughing and reminiscing about my childhood memories as if it all happened just yesterday. To be honest, my life for me felt as plain as a cup of coffee without sugar in the morning. I am not the kind of person with many achievements to brag about. I grew up with my grandmother and my aunt. Yes, I am a product of a broken family. Looking back now, I can proudly say that I am grateful for where I am today. Dumako ako walay akong mama and papa. As the eldest daughter and granddaughter, the pressure was always on me. Growing up, it was instilled in my mind that I have to be the pillar of my siblings, the source of their strength, and the shoulder they can lay onto when they feel down. As the eldest, it was engraved in my heart that I cannot show any weakness. I cannot show an inch of weakness. I am to be a goody two shoes. Kung hawaray-waray pa, di rin man perfect, pero dapat mabuhat ko't akong best. Para maging proud and nagpa-eskwela nga nagpadako akon. I made mistakes. I hurt my grandmother. We had misunderstandings. There were moments when I tried to find myself, even if it meant going against what they wanted for me. Gintistingan ko lumihi sa irang karuyan. When I was in elementary, I am an achiever. Kay hinod dire magiging achiever kung timlo lang may istrahain ng eskwelahan. I can't understand why they were strict. Istriktan akong lola ng auntie. Bilang bata, dira ako nakakaintindi nga diri ko iintindi. Kay ano nagsusugad hira haamon. I graduated from Rawis Elementary School, where my grandmother once taught. Looking back, I realized I didn't fully enjoy my childhood. Kaya naamon kapanahunan, alang man lagas-lagasan na ako, diri pa uso ang mga gadgets, puro pala to keypad and cellphone. Nahanumdum pa ako kada udto. Nahiling ako bintana, sobrang bintana ang room ni Ma'am Merlin. It was so nostalgic. Ang makita la ako mga bata nga nagmumulay han lumoy-lumoy, sleeper X or ang sleeper box pati na dangaw-dangaw. Diri ako nakakabuli kay siplat palahan akong lola. Bagat gusto ko na lang kumaturog han udto, bis nakakabati ako ang karagtatawahan akong classmates. So as a child, I tried to sneak out to play when my grandma wasn't at school. Nakigmulay ako ng dangaw-dangaw. Pero that one time, waray nakasundi. Kaya accidentally nabanyakan ang akon matahan akon classmate. Nanhubag ang violet ang akon usang mata. Grabe ang rubag-dubag ang akon dughan. Duro dahil ang senaryo na dumalagan ang akong isip ko numulpot na ang akong lola. Sigurado. Dire la ako ang mabubusa. For graduation of San Vicente Elementary School for school year 2025 to 2026, of whom 10 are male and 11 female. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. May I therefore request you to confirm their graduation.
By the authority vested in me by Dr. Marisa S. Magan, CESA 5, Schools Division Superintendent, Deputy Division of Leyte, and upon the certification of your school head, Ma'am Chona R. Cabingue, the school head of San Vicente Elementary School, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby confirm you 21 graduates for school year 2025-2026 of San Vicente Elementary School with all the rights, honor, and privileges pertaining thereto. Congratulations. You may now take your seat. So, in behalf of our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Lerma Asuero Pique, or Indulan South District, she is attending an equally important event, so I am representing her for this ikapilay ma'am, 22nd end of school year. May I have the honor to read her message. To the batch of 2026, small steps, big dreams. To our grade 6 graduates for 6 years, the classroom had been your world. You learned to read, to compute, and to understand the history of our beautiful country. This is your competence, the tools in your backpack that will carry to the high school. But as you grow taller and your lessons get harder, remember that character is what makes a true Filipino leader. To lead with mabuting pagkatao means being the learner who helps a classmate, the child who respects their elders, and the friend who chooses honesty over an easy grade. You are young, but you are already leaders in your own way. To the parents and guardians, the first teachers, you are the primary architect of these children. Every morning, you woke them up, every baon you prepared, and every word of encouragement you gave has built the foundation we see today. Parents, your resilience is the competence they admire, and your love is the character they will carry into the world. This graduation is a tribute to your hard work and much as theirs. To the teachers, the patient mentors, you have spent years turning I can't into I can. You taught them more than just ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. You taught them how to be citizens. Thank you for being the steady hands that guided them through the first academic journey. To the stakeholders and the community, Thank you for providing a safe and nurturing environment for your children to thrive. Your support proves the old saying, it takes a village to raise a child. By investing in their education, you are investing in the future leaders of our nation. Do not wait until you are grown up to lead. Lead today by being kind, by studying hard, and by being a proud Filipino. Your journey has just begun. Congratulations and God bless Batch 2025-2026. Mabuhay.
Thank you so much, Sir Colleen. In grateful appreciation, may I invite once again our school head to get together with Dr. Colleen as we present a token of our sincere thanks to our distinguished guests. Once again, thank you, Sir Colleen, for sharing your time, wisdom, and support. Your presence has made this celebration even more significant and inspiring. We now proceed to one of the most awaited parts of our ceremony, the distribution of diplomas. Kanyada Sander Dumpang. Quezon Prince Nathan Trinchera. Daang John Alexis Raagas. De La Vega Jeffrey Jr. Jola. Maanyo John Lord Tapales. Malaza Mark Denver Manila. Malaza Gerald Orbaneja. Napokaw Lorvin Payo. Rumawa Alexander Lugrosa. Venturina Marvin Payo. Abad Jamros Anasio. Alvaro Chanel Andrea Tupan. Balmore Rosby Ginto. Cabrera Sia Anako Cabambas. Trinidad Jana Cain. Zalon Almijoy Raaga. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sir. Once again, congratulations to our dear graduates. Each diploma that you are holding right now represents your effort, determination, and dreams that continue to grow. Every milestone becomes more meaningful when guided by wisdom. Let us lend our
Perseverance and determination throughout the years. Along our journey, we experienced many happy and challenging moments. We studied our lessons, completed our assignments and projects, and learned many valuable things with our teachers. We also shared laughter, friendship, and unforgettable memories with our classmates. Today, all our efforts have finally brought us to this proud moment. At this point, allow me to express our sincere gratitude. First and foremost, to God, for His guidance, blessings, and strength that help us reach this milestone. And to our beloved teachers, thank you for the patience, dedication, and love in teaching and guiding us every day. And to our dear parents and families, thank you for the endless support, encouragement, and sacrifices. Your love has inspired us to keep moving forward and to do our best in school. And to my fellow graduates, thank you for the friendship, cooperation, and wonderful memories we shared together. As we celebrate this important achievement, let us remember that this graduation is not the end, but only the beginning of a new journey towards our dream. On behalf of the graduating class of San Vicente Elementary School Batch 2026, it is my great honor and pleasure to warmly welcome all of you to this joyful celebration. Once again, welcome everyone and thank you for joining us on this very special day. Enjoy the program and have a wonderful morning.
to our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Jane Agoyo,